Good day, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the hot water tanks on this time. At least it's not the furnace. And we have some beers to try. So back behind us we have the beers. I do usually try not to do, because of the way I upload, I try not to do all the same brand in a row. So we'll start with this guy. This is Sleeman's Speed River Pilsner. This was in the Beers of Summer mix pack. What do we got? 4.3% ABV, as crisp as the currents, like the cold, cascading waters of the Speed River. This easy drinking Pilsner, made from 3 distinct hops, is as crisp as it is refreshing. So, Sleeman is located in Guelph, Ontario, and as Boychuk used to always bring up when he was on the videos with us, Guelph, the only town in Ontario where it sounds like you're puking when you say it, Guelph! But I've been to Guelph several times. I've been to the Trashtorium and a few other places in Guelph. I don't remember a Speed River there, but I don't know the geography of the town all that well. My cup is down here, so let's just grab that. Gotta clean up this room too. Basically all I store in here is my toolboxes, but they are spread out right now because I've been doing a lot of work, and I have to find part of the I ordered those little kits that come with all the little extensions and all that. I have to find the one that goes into the impact wrench, so I can put the chicken wire up around my house, because we have a whole bunch of stray dogs that keep trying to live under the house, and that's just not going to happen anymore. Looks like a Pilsner, crystal clear, golden color. I can see the camera through the beer. It had bright white head when it had head, sent out of the glass. Really sweet. It's really sweet out of the glass. And it's grassy and dirty out of the can. That's intriguing. Well, at least this guy turned off. Cheers, let's try it. So, as most of you know, I don't drink my beer cold. I drink my beer room temperature, cellar temperature. All the beers I have to review are in this room, so this is a little lower than cellar temperature because this is the cellar. Technically, it's not the cellar, it's in the same part of the house, but it's the uninsulated part of the house with all the pipes that are bringing in air from outside, and outside is Nunavik, so this is cooler than a normal cellar. So this is a little colder than I usually would drink my beers. That being said, it's crisp, it's a little dirty, it's a little straw-like, it's a little sweet. It's what I expect from a Pilsner. I've had a lot of Pilsners now from craft breweries, and I've had a lot of Pilsners now from macros. And though when I started this journey, Pilsners were not something I was enjoying at all, it seems like in the decade or so we've been doing this, that my tastes have evolved a little bit to the point where I appreciate Pilsners more, because I'm not always looking for the 7+ ABV, 15 hop variety IPAs. I'm looking for something I can drink and drink a bunch of. And a Pilsner does that. So as I'm getting older, the Pilsners do seem to be something I go towards more. That being said, I go towards a macro Pilsner more than a craft Pilsner all the time. One, for the cost, and 2, because it tastes like what I expect it to taste like. Where when I get a craft one, it's usually over hopped, or it's over malted, or it's adding hibiscus or some other weird thing to it, and I just don't care. That being said, this is a crisp, clean, easy drinking Pilsner. There's no complaints about that. That went down fine. $20 for the mix pack in Quebec. So you're able to order to the north a 2-4 a week. So if you order the 2-4 and they're both macros, the package was $136 for 2 mix packs, both of them being $20. So we're looking at $40 in beer, $5 in the POV allowance charge, which means the town itself charges me $5 to buy it from there because I'm not buying it from the co-op here, and there is some underground stuff as to why that happens. $9 to deliver it to the airport, $62.50 to deliver it here, plus the can deposit. So yeah, $136 for a 2-4, for those of you wondering how much beer costs here. And that's with the 2-4s both, well, the 2 12-packs both. That's with the 2-4 costing me $40. So there's like $96 in other fees. Nice, eh? 7.75 out of 10, I would buy that again. Cheers. Bye.